Hey guys, so I know I don't usually share a lot of videos laying down just because after a total knee replacement, I want exercise to be functional. I want it to be real world. Real world is getting on your feet, moving through space. But there's a time and a place for easier, lower level exercise. So I want to show you 3 of my favorite exercises that you can do laying down. These could be done in bed, these could be done on a couch. And if you have the ability to get down on the floor, they can be done on the floor, but they don't have to be done on the floor. I want to explain what the goal of these exercises is, because after a total knee replacement, a lot of times you're doing an exercise that you used to do for something else. Now we're doing it to improve a component of the knee, whether it be strength, range of motion, endurance, something related to the knee. So the first one is very simple. You guys have probably seen a hip bridge exercise. All I'm doing is I'm bending my knee. Now, because we want to increase the range of motion of knee flexion, and we're going to pretend that my left was replaced, I'm going to slide it back. You guys are all doing some version of heel slide. So I'm going to slide the left leg back to the point of discomfort, but not the point of pain. Discomfort is acceptable, pain is unnecessary. So I bring it back, level of discomfort, and then from this position, what I'm doing is I'm trying to push my feet straight down into the surface while I lift my hips up. You can lift your hips up several inches, or you can even just lift them up enough to slide a piece of paper under it. It doesn't matter so much how high you lift the knee, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to activate the glute, the hamstring, the quadriceps, the muscles around the knee. I would typically prescribe 15 to 20 repetitions of this exercise. And the reason why we prescribe so many repetitions is I'm not trying to build strength. If I was building strength, 15 to 20 repetitions is too many. I just want to put some pressure through the knee in a flex position while I activate and kind of wake up the muscles. The second exercise, and this one now is more for extension. So the hip bridge, we were working on flexion. Now we're going to work on extension. The main objective of this is I squeeze the quad. So the first activation is quadricep tightness, which extends the knee. Then I pull the ankle back, and then I lift to about the level of the other leg. I relax everything between repetitions, and then I repeat. 3-step process. Tight quad, flexed ankle, lift the leg, and relax. Now, you can incorporate a hip bridge with it. It's totally up to you, but the objective is tight quad, flexed ankle, lift to about the level of the other leg. Once again, this is something I would do 15 to 20 repetitions. And the final one, I want to look at a combination of extension, what we just did, so tight quad, ankle flexed, lift into flexion. I'm trying to drive that heel down into the table, and then I relax. So I go tight quad, ankle back, lift to about the level of the other leg, and then I flex while the leg is in the air, trying to pull that heel to my butt, to my backside before it touches the ground, and then I just relax. Now you could do it sitting up. I think it's a lot easier to do it laying down. Tight quad, flexed ankle, lift. Gravity is helping to pull the heel back to my backside, and then I set it down on the surface, the floor, the couch, the bed, reset. Last one, tight quad, ankle flex, lift, pull the heel back to your backside before touching the surface. Again, these are just supplemental exercises. These are not functional exercises, but they're supplemental exercises just to keep the exercise program a little different, a little fresh. Our body responds really well to variety. If I do the same thing all the time, every single day, I'll get improvement in the beginning, but then that improvement starts to get smaller and smaller until I'm not improving, I'm just maintaining. So we want to have different exercises. We want to stress the tissue differently. We want to be in different body positions so that we're constantly pushing the boundary to continue to improve, to continue to progress, not too quick, not too slow. Guys, if you have questions about total knee replacement, recovery, about pain, about range of motion, I am a licensed physical therapist. Absolutely post your questions. Let me know and I'll do my best to answer them in future videos. I'll see you next time.